In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace page sections, how to edit Squarespace in 2025. We'll walk through entering the editor, customizing your site header, adjusting design settings, adding elements and sections, and fine-tuning styles so your pages look polished and consistent. Start by opening your Squarespace website and entering the page editor. Click Edit at the top of the page to switch into editing mode. Once you're in, hover over the header and choose Edit Site Header. This opens the header controls, where you can refine your logo, navigation, and layout without affecting the rest of the page. Inside the header panel, select Edit Design to access style options like colors, fonts, and spacing. If you see a highlighted option, click it to jump directly to the control Squarespace is pointing out. These highlights help you quickly find the exact setting you need. Next, choose Add Elements within the header to include items such as a button, social icons, or additional navigation links. If a specific area or toggle is highlighted, click it to enable, disable, or reposition the element for a cleaner, more usable header. Now move down to the page content. Click into the section with the sample headline, Expert Strategies for Modern Marketing Success, and replace that text with your own. Use clear headings that reflect your content, as strong headings improve both readability and search visibility. If formatting controls are highlighted, use them to adjust alignment, weight, or size so your text stands out and remains consistent with your brand. To expand your layout, choose Add Section. Pick a template type, such as blank, text, or gallery, based on what you need. After adding it, you can rearrange sections by dragging them up or down and adjust padding so blocks have room to breathe. When you're done with that panel, click Close to return to the full page view. For global styling, open Site Styles. If a style group is highlighted, select it to access related settings. This area controls your universal fonts, colors, buttons, and section themes, ensuring your changes apply across the entire site rather than a single page. Make small adjustments and preview as you go. Subtle tweaks often deliver the most cohesive result. When finished, click Close to return to the editor. Back on the page, follow any remaining highlighted prompts to fine-tune backgrounds, spacing, or individual content blocks. Remember that many changes in Squarespace save automatically as you work. Preview your page on desktop and mobile to confirm everything looks sharp. With these steps, you've customized your header, edited content, added sections, and dialed in your site styles for a modern, professional look.